morning students. Today's topic is chemical property of alcohol. Alcohol behave as a nucleophile or as well as electrophile also. When the bond cleavage is between oxygen and hydrogen, it behaves as a nucleophile, and when the bond cleavage between the carbon and oxygen, it behaves as a electrophile. When nucleophile formation of alcohol takes place when bond break between the oxygen and hydrogen. Let us see an example. Lone pair present on the oxygen atom in alcohol, it behaves as a nucleophile, and when any carbocations, for example, we take here ethanol chloride, carbon and oxygen, there is electronegative difference between the carbon and oxygen, pi electron shifted towards the oxygen. In that condition, positive charge create on the carbon and electron present on the oxygen atom in alcohol attack at this place. So we can say that here alcohol behave as a nucleophile. As the reaction proceed in presence of pyridine base, electron back on that position. Here fluorine is good leaving group and positive charge appears on oxygen, dispersed by taking this electron. So here a hydrogen release and chlorine is also released during this reaction in form of acid, so that base is used to neutralize the reaction and reaction proceed towards the forward direction. So there will be a compound formed. In this way we can say that alcohol behave as a nucleophile. Alcohol behave as electrophile. We can say that protonated alcohol. It is when alcohol becomes protonate, it behaves as a electrophile. So we can say that protonated alcohol is mandatory for alcohol when behave as a electrophile. As a electrophile, here as a nucleophile. As electrophile, lone pair present on the hydrogen. When acidic medium available, this get protonated. Alcohol gets protonated. Protonated alcohol. For example, if we take ethanol or any other alcohol in presence of acid, formation of protonated alcohol takes place. Positive charge appear on oxygen, so it takes electron and get removed from air. So we have carbocation. It is a protonated ethanol, and secondary state. When nucleophilic attack takes place on this, now we have bromoethane. So students, here we say that in presence of AC, alcohol behave as a electrophile, and in lone pair present on the oxygen make its electrophile, and bond cleavages between the alkyl and oxygen. When alcohol behave as a electrophile, the bond cleavages between carbon and oxygen, and when alcohol behave as a nucleophile, the bond cleavages between oxygen and hydrogen. It is a versatile compound. It behaves as a nucleophile, it behaves as an electrophile, it is also behave as a Bronsted acid, Bronsted base, Lewis base. So many character shown by alcohol. Bond cleavages between oxygen and hydrogen. We see here alcohol release H plus, so it is a proton donor, and proton donor species is known as acid. So we can say that alcohol is acidic in nature. In fact, all alcohols are weakly acidic in nature. Nature. Reaction with active metal. Active metal like sodium, magnesium, calcium, aluminium, so on. When alcohol reacts with metal, it releases H plus ion due to bond breakage between oxygen and hydrogen. It is sodium alkoxide ion and releasing of H plus ion takes place. Similarly, for example, when ethanol react with sodium metal, formation of sodium ethoxide and hydrogen gas. We should balance it. Next example, when tertiary butyl alcohol, when hydroxyl group attached those carbon which is 3 degree. 3 degree means this carbon attached with 3 other carbon atom. React with ammonium, formation of ammonium tertiary butoxide with hydrogen. So here we see that when alcohol treated with active metal, it releases proton, and releasing proton shows the acidic character of alcohol. When alcohol react with any strong base which gives electron. The formation of conjugate acid and base. Here alcohol behave as an acid, it is a base. Acid conjugate base is alkoxide ion, and the base conjugate acid is this. This is the conjugate acid and this is the conjugate base. In equilibrium, we have already know about the conjugate acid or base. In this way, we can say that the acidic nature of alcohol shown when it react with active metal. Acidic character of alcohol decreases. Most acidic in nature is 1 degree alcohol, then 2 degree alcohol, then 3 degree. 1 degree means primary alcohol, 2 degree means secondary alcohol, 3 degree means tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol, the releasing of H plus ion easily, because here only one alkyl group attached with carbon, it is a primary alcohol. So bond easily cleavage between oxygen and hydrogen. We know that alkyl group is a plus I nature and it increases the electron density on oxygen. But here is only one alkyl group, so hydrogen easily release from 1 degree alcohol. With 2 degree alcohol, there is 2 alkyl group attached. 2 alkyl group increases the electron density on oxygen and the bond cleavages between the oxygen and hydrogen difficult. In 3 degree alcohol, 3 alkyl group attached, which increases the electron density maximum, and here is the removal of protons becomes very difficult because 3 alkyl group present here, and we know that alkyl group is the electron releasing group. It increases the electron density on the oxygen atom, and oxygen atom does not easily release H plus ion. So as the alkyl group increases, the acidic character of alcohol also decreases. So most acidic in nature of alcohol is 1 degree alcohol, then 2 degree alcohol, then 3 degree alcohol. Correct? So note down here, greater the number of alkyl group attached to the carbon, atom carrying OH group, greater is the polarity of CO bond, and therefore smaller is the polarity of OH bond. So in that case, 1 degree alcohol OH bond gets broken easily so 1 degree alcohol are more acidic. Alcohol have tendency to donate proton and are also known as Bronsted acid. Alcohol donate proton to strong base. Strong base, it becomes acid and it becomes base. It is a acid and its conjugate base is epoxide ion and its conjugate acid is when this alkoxide ion treated with water, it again becomes alcohol we see here when alkoxide ion form, the negative charge appears on oxygen atom and oxygen atom is also already a strong electronegative and electron present on this oxygen atom as well as alkyl group attached to it. It also increases the electron density on it. In that condition, oxygen quickly wants to proton and become again alcohol. So here we can explain or say that this is a strong base. Why is this called a strong base? Because alkoxide ion negative charge present on oxygen when hydrogen removed from here. When hydrogen removed from here by this strong base, the oxygen appears with this electron and also alkyl group, which is a electron releasing group, increase the electron density on oxygen. This makes the oxygen unstable and oxygen quickly wants to proton and become a alcohol. Means it has quickly tendency to accept proton. So that it is a strong base. Here when this base treated with water, it again form alcohol and releasing of OH ion. We compare the acidic character of alcohol and water. Here water release proton. So here it is behave as a acid, it is a base. So acidic nature of alcohol and acidic nature of water. Which one will be more acidic in nature, alcohol or water? We can discuss acidic nature of alcohol and water. Alcohol, when release proton and becomes alkoxide ion. Water, when release proton, becomes OH ion. We compare here alkoxide ion and OH ion. Electron present on oxygen and electron present on this oxygen in alcohol and in hydroxide ion. It is a alkoxide ion. It is a hydroxide ion. Which one base have strong tendency to accept protons? Alkoxide ion, we see here, due to plus I effect of alkyl group increases the electron density on oxygen. Here is no any alkyl group attached to this oxygen. So alkoxide ion have greater tendency to accept proton in comparison to hydroxide ion. It is a stronger base. Alkoxide ion is a stronger base than hydroxide ion. Why alkoxide ion is a stronger base? Alkoxide ion is a stronger base than the hydroxide ion because in alkoxide ion there is alkyl group attached which increases the electron density on oxygen, makes the oxygen unstable. In that case, oxygen quickly accepts protons, but there is no any alkyl group attached on this oxygen. So alkoxide ion is a stronger base than the hydroxide ion. Alkoxide ion and hydroxide. So if we basic character of alcohol, most basic in nature is 3 degree alkoxide ion, then 2 degree alkoxide ion, then 1 degree alkoxide ion. This is the basic nature of alkoxide ion.